To enable screen rotation if it's not rotating in landscape or portrait mode, here's how to do correctly. Open the control center by swiping down your finger from the top right corner of your iPhone. The orientation lock shortcut appears by default. To enable screen rotation, turn off this lock by tapping to deselect the lock. If it's not showing here, then add it to the control center. Touch and hold on the blank space on your iPhone for edit mode. Now, tap on the Add a Control option at the bottom center. Search for the orientation lock and tap on it to add it to the control center. Once you add it to the control center, tap anywhere to exit from edit mode. To enable screen rotation, don't select this icon. Now, the portrait orientation lock is off, and your iPhone works fine in any screen orientation, as you can see YouTube videos in landscape mode. That's it. To disable screen rotation on iPhone, tap on the portrait orientation icon and select it. If it's not working, as expected with some apps, try after force restarting your iPhone and ensure that the app developer allows it to be used in different orientations. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.